So hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for copywriting in 2025 even if you are a total beginner. Whether you are writing ad copy, emails, product description or wasted content, ChatGPT makes it super easy to generate high quality copy fast. So without any further ado, let's dive in and turn ChatGPT into your personal writing assistant. So before that, what actually is ChatGPT? You just need to understand that. Like if you're new here, ChatGPT is an AI writing tool developed by OpenAI. Like OpenAI is a company. This is OpenAI who built this ChatGPT. So it can write content in second. It can help you to brainstorm ideas. It can help you refresh or improve your writing. Also, it can save hours of your work every day. In 2025, the latest version is smarter, faster, and better at understanding tone, style, and content, perfect for copywriting. So now let's talk about how you can set up ChatGPT. To get started, you just need to be visit on OpenAI. Also come over here, then you will find out into the right left corner the ChatGPT option. You just need to be click through this one, and then you can download the app, or also you can start into the browser. You just need to click over here, start now, and then eventually it will be started. Then you just need to be log in or create an account, then upgrade to ChatGPT Plus if you want access to GPT-4 for better result. You can also use the ChatGPT mobile app for iOS or Android. Once you are in, you are ready to write. So here you can see we have a couple of tools like Canvas, web search, deep search, think longer, create image, study and learn. You can choose any of them if you want. Then if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus to attach more files or try again more after this one, because I already use this. So here into the search chat, you can search your chat, you can see the setting, you can upgrade the plan to this one, you can customize the ChatGPT. So it's totally an amazing thing to have this kind of a thing. So now I'm going to write high converting headlines for me. So let's start with the headlines. One of the most important parts of copywriting. Just type a prompt like write 5 catchy headlines for a fitness coaching program for busy moms. So ChatGPT will generate variations like transform your body in just 20 minutes a day, busy moms meet your new secret weapons to fitness. So you will get this kind of a thing like 5 catchy headlines for fitness coaching program tailored to busy moms. You already get it here. So you can even add tone instruction like make them sound urgent and benefit driven. Like you just need to be type this word, make them sound urgent and benefit driven, and then hit enter and it will give you that like as you want. So now you can create email marketing copy also by using ChatGPT. Like emails are key for online marketing. You can use that prompt. I'm writing a couple of prompts. You can note it. If you can pause the video and can note it from that place. So I'm going to give a new prompt that will be write a promotional email for a new AI course launching next week. Include a subject line greeting, main content and CTA. So you just need to be hit the enter again and you will get whole things in here. ChatGPT will give you a compelling subject line, like here you can see this is the subject line, then engaging opening lines. Are you ready to future proof your skill and get ahead of the curve? Then it will give you benefit of focused body copy in here, and last a clear call to action like enroll now or limited seats available. You can tweak the tone to be friendly, professional, or urgent. It's totally up to you. So now let's go and let's talk about generate product description. Need a e-commerce copy? You can use the prompt like this one, that write persuasions ship product descriptions for a reusable water bottle targeting eco-conscious CIOUS shoppers, and then hit enter, and then ChatGPT will highlight features like eco-friendly materials, long-lasting designs, benefit to the environment, and wrap it up with the call to actions like get yours today. Add details like time, target audience, or word count to get exactly what you actually need. So you can create website copy and about pages. Like let's say you need homepage copy, you just need to give a prompt in here. Like let's say I'm going to write this one, write homepage content for a web design agency. So you just need to add your industry in here instead of this. Then that serve small business, keep it professional and friendly. Like I give the all instruction. Now ChatGPT will provide me the whole things. So here ChatGPT will produce a strong headline, short paragraph about service, trust building elements, CTA like get a free quote today. You can also ask for content for about a service or contact pages. So you can use ChatGPT for brainstorming, like struggling with a writer's block. ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas like slogans, ad campaign ideas, YouTube video titles, content calendars for blogs and social media. For example, you can write, give me 10 blog ideas for professional or personal finance website targeting Gen Z. This can jumpstart your creative process and save your hours of thinking. Now let's talk about improve and rewriting existing copy. Like already have some copy, but it feels bland, like use prompt like rewrite this product description and sound more exciting. You just need to add this word called rewrite or make me more engaging description. This way you can paste your text and ChatGPT will polish it up, making it more engaging and effective in your tone of choice. So that's it for today. Now you know how you can use ChatGPT for copywriting in 2025. Whether you are writing email, product page, blog content, ads, ChatGPT can save your time, effort, and writer's block. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.